Have a miracle day. So today we are going to see how to split analysis of SPSS based on the variable such as gender or any other type of variable, and take separate analysis when we do frequency analysis or descriptive analysis or any type of analysis, but based on one division of variable. For example, now I have a data set. This is a fresh data set that was collected from Sri Lanka, where the use of technology for English language learning is measured. One type of variable that is given is the school type and gender, and other are several just common questions that were asked to assess the English language learning. So you can see here, now there are two school types, the government one and private. When it comes to Sri Lanka, the learning process of government and private schools are totally different. Therefore, there can be a difference of English language learning. So I need to know that when we are doing the analysis. Same goes for the gender role. So to do that, what I can do is to go to data and then split file. Here I can select organize output by groups, or else we can do compare group. Now in this one I am going to do is organize output by group. So I have already added the school type. So now once we click OK, all of the analysis that we are going to do will be divided to 2, and then the analysis will be done. Okay, let's first do kind of a frequency analysis. Let's say descriptive frequency. So I want to check the frequency of first, let's say first question, and I'm going to some 5 charts also. Okay, now you can see the analysis. The first frequency chart comes by taking only the school type government, and then the second analysis comes by taking only the school type private. So different graphs are also there. Same applies if you do another type of analysis also. Let's say I'm going to do kind of bivariate analysis. Now this is not suitable for this data set is not suitable for such an analysis, but I'm going to do. Now here also the correlation analysis we did it, but for the correlations are separately done for school type government and as well as private. Now suppose you need to take this as a whole data set, but now whatever you do, everything comes as different. So to do that, what we can do is we have to first remove this split file and select the first option, analyze all cases. Okay, now if we go to correlation and do the analysis, now this analysis comes taking the total data set as a whole. So hope this video clarified the split data option in SPSS. See you soon in again for another video. If you do have any clarifications, you can drop me a message using the mentioned WhatsApp number or email. Thank you very much.